We shall continue with the mathematical toys, and this is a toy which is in a box like this. These are the dice. In fact, you must have seen the Mahabharata serial when such kind of a dice is used. The peculiarity of this dice is that it has got the numbers. Each dice like this has 4 numbers in the one face, for another 4, another 4. Totally, these are 4 into 4, 16 numbers are here. So each dice contains like that, and putting together like this. Let us say like this. These form 4 numbers. This number, this number, this number, and this. The challenge is this. So when we just put it like this at random, we will get the dice will arrange themselves into some kind of a numbers. We have to add this 4-digit number plus this plus this plus this and tell the total. So let us try that. Strung like this to make a random combination of numbers, and these are the numbers: 8,368, 1,671, 1,781, 9,959. So how about totaling all these things and see? Let us see what happens. So I will just write down the totals like this. The totals it will be 21,779. This is the total. I have predicted that this is the total. Let us see what happens. 8,368 plus 1,671 plus 1,781 plus 9,959. So what will be the total? 21,779. How did I tell that? In fact, that's the way it is played. Let us try another one. Now also we are having 4 numbers. So let us put it. I will predict what is the kind of a total. I will just predict. The total will be 22,187. So let us see what happens. So first number is 2,864 plus 7,176 plus 2,189 plus 9,958. So let us see what is the total. 22,187. How it is possible? How did I do it? So let us see what happens. So when you observe these numbers like this, this is the 1, 2, 3rd. This is the 3rd number. I have taken away 2 from here. That means to say it is 7, and I have put 2 here. That means to say 22,187. How does it work? Please observe here. This is 2,189. Each digit I have just put numbers 6, 4, 8, which is 18. This number 7, 6, 5, which is 18, and this 1, 8, 9, which is 18. This again 2, 7, 2 and 9, 18. That means to say I have added 18 for each digit like this, and then manipulated. So how it works? It works with the decimal system like this. Any 4-digit number ABCD, it's actually 1000A and 100B and 110C and plus D. For that I have added 18, 18, 18, 18, and when you do this, and this is the result, that will be exactly equal to 2 comes over here, ABC, this is D minus 2. That exactly I have done it here in this particular example, that I have taken away 2, that is 7. I have put it 2 here, so 22,187. This toy is based upon manipulation of decimal system. Let us take any 4-digit number ABCD. This is in 1000th place, 100th place, 10th place and units place. That means 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. For each of which we have added 18, 18, 18, 18. So it will be 1000, 18 plus A plus 100, 18 plus B plus 10, 18 plus C plus 18 plus D. So when you just expand it, it will be multiplying 1000 and 8, 18, 18,000, 1000 and A, it is 1000A, 100, 18, 1800, 100B is 100B, 10, 18 is 180, 10C is 10C, this is unit, 18 and D. Observe this, 1000A, it is here, 100B, it is here, 10C, it is here, D, it is here. So, it is the original number, 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. Then the residue is 18,000, 1,800, 180 and 18. That is the same thing, 18,000, 180, 1,800 and 18. So this is nothing but this ABCD, so we shall write ABCD. This totals up to 19,998. That means it is same as ABCD plus 20,000 minus 2. This is there is no another place 10,000 place here. So what we can do is we should take away 2 from here, this D, and put 2 here. So it becomes a 5-digit number, 20,000 plus 1000A plus 100B plus 10C and D minus 2 in the unit place. That's what it is. This is the toy. This is a mala. You see, and numbers are are written here. One peculiarity is that this 22 and 22. This is 78, and reverse of it is 87. This is 96. This is 69, 89, and 98. Like this, all these numbers are here. So in mathematics, this kind of a reversed kind of numbers are called palindromes. So the beauty of it is that even though these numbers appear to be different, and this is the reverse of it, the total is exactly 605. So in fact there are very many combinations of numbers like this in mathematics, and this is the fun. The variable quantities directly proportional and inversely proportional are strange to the students. But we use in mathematics at every drop of the hat. So for example, x is directly proportional to y and x is inversely proportional to y. These are the kinds of words we use and indicate x directly proportional to y and x inversely proportional means 1 by y we write. So this is the kind of a toy which is designed to explain that directly proportional. Here there are 2 animals, 2 giraffes, and also there are numbers here. So when one giraffe just extends its head, so the other giraffe also just goes up. So straight away it extends like this. When it drops, other giraffe also drops. So that means that you can just count the height to which this giraffe on the left and also giraffe on the right they just move. This is called as example of direct proportion. So when one rises, the count you just see it here, the same count will be there. So this is called as directly proportional. This is a toy illustrating inversely proportional things. So here is a man and this is the monkey. So the monkey is at the top and man is at the bottom. So when the man wants to catch the monkey, when he climbs up, the monkey comes down. When the man comes down, the monkey goes up. and here are the readings for the monkey, and here are the readings for the man. So how much he climbs, so that much the monkey comes down. When he is at the top, the monkey is at the bottom. This is called as inversely proportional.